Have you ever looked around and felt like something was wrong, even without knowing exactly what it was? Looked at your surroundings and realized that the mess outside is just a reflection of something much deeper? That's not a coincidence. It's the result of small acts of neglect accumulated over time. And every detail out of place says a lot about how your inner life is doing. Disorganized environments aren't just ugly or uncomfortable. They drain your energy. They steal your focus. They create silent anxiety and feed the constant feeling that you're late, overwhelmed, and lost. Outer chaos keeps inner chaos alive. You wake up in the mess and go to sleep in it. And when you notice, you've lost control. The worst part? You don't even know when it started. But there's a hard truth most avoid. You're not losing control of your life. All of a sudden, you're losing it little by little, with every dirty dish left behind, with every corner forgotten, with every bit of clutter you tolerate. Your mind gets used to this tolerance. It begins to accept less than you deserve. It shifts into survival mode. But there's a turning point, that a moment you decide, enough, I'm going to get this in order. And when that moment comes, everything starts to change. Not because cleaning fixes everything, but because cleaning is an act of taking back control. It's you returning to the present. It's you saying with action, I'm in charge of this space. Cleaning, adjusting, putting things in order. It's no small task. It's resistance. It's training your mind to focus despite distractions. It's building discipline in the details, because that's where real strength lives, not in pretty speeches and simple actions. Every time you organize your space, you're training your eyes to notice what's wrong and fix it. You're teaching your mind not to accept chaos as the standard. You're strengthening your power to choose. While the broom moves, the mind clears. As the floor opens up, your focus returns. As objects fall into place, your thoughts align. And all of this happens in silence. No witnesses, no likes, no applause. Just you and your conscience. And that's enough. Because in the end, it's not about pleasing others. It's about respecting yourself. Looking at your home, your space, your routine, and knowing you're taking back the reins. That's the foundation of self-control. And self-control is power. It sustains calm in chaos. It stops you from reacting on impulse. It separates those who only complain from those who change their reality. Many want to change the world but can't even keep their own house in order. They want clarity for big decisions but live in basic confusion. Want to know if your life is moving forward? Look around. Outer cleanliness is the first visible step toward inner reconstruction. And reconstruction demands decisions, routine, presence. It's you taking a stand against the mess, against delay, against comfort. This doesn't require money. It doesn't require talent. It only requires the decision to stop accepting life as it is. You might be surrounded by machines, tools, clutter. But if you're acting, cleaning, organizing, bringing order, then you're evolving. You're forging clarity in the midst of chaos. You're creating an environment where discipline can grow, and discipline is the seed of freedom. You may look at someone and see success, but if their environment is a mess, it's only a matter of time before it falls apart. On the other hand, someone who organizes their space day after day is preparing for something greater. It's not about cleaning just to clean. It's about restoring order, reconnecting with responsibility, building a stable, silent, real foundation. Those who master their environment begin to master themselves, and those who master themselves are unstoppable. Instinct maintenance is exactly that, an internal process revealed through external actions. It's not a pretty theory. It's practice. It's attitude. It's a decision. You don't need to change everything at once. You need to start with what's in front of you, clean, sort, eliminate what doesn't serve, organize what matters, and repeat again and again until your mind understands this is the new standard. This is the new me, even when no one is watching. Because in the end, who you are shows in your habits, your environment, the way you care for what you have. Instinct maintenance starts in the invisible, but it shows in the visible, in how you organize, react, live. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for recognition. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Act now. Start with the simple. Take care of what is yours, and take control. What if you simply started taking care of what you already have? How many times have you put it off and watched the mess grow silently? The question is simple. Do you really want to change or just like the idea of change? Because there's a difference. Real change doesn't happen on a special day. It begins with simple choices. Right now. in how you arrange your space, in how you take care of what you own, in the attention you give to details no one else sees. That's where your true strength hides. That's where consistency is born. That's where you stop surviving and start building. It's not about the world around you. It's about how you choose to face it. So before looking for miracle solutions, ask yourself, are you keeping your foundation solid or just hoping things fix themselves? Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for applause. Start with what you have and prove to yourself that you take your growth seriously. If this message made sense to you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. That really helps the channel grow and continue with this straightforward content. And if you want to go further, check out the products in the link below. See you in the next video.